All right, welcome back to Crypto Traders Club. Happy Monday, everyone. Going to go through a few of the chart setups for the day. First one we're going to start with is a review of our optimism trade. We got in at $2 and about 15 cents, and we just missed our take profit around 16%, about $2.48. It went just below that, missing it by 2 cents, and I wasn't paying attention at the time and we missed our target, but we still made about 6%, getting stopped out around 2.2. It could be a good time to get back in and ride it back up again. Really depends on what Bitcoin's going to do. So let's head over to Bitcoin, take a look at the charts. We're still within this range, which is looking good. Could be a decent buying opportunity here. We'll see what happens when the markets open up on the US side. See what happens over there. So even if we break through this, we could see a bounce here around 22,000 and ride that back up to, I think we might head up to 25,000 before I would want to take a short again. I don't think we're in the bull market again, but we are having a lot of positive upside to the trades that we're able to take right now with some of the altcoins. One of the ones we'll take a look at is Tezos. Had some pretty strong movement downwards here. It's going to be trading within this channel, and I think if we can see this around $1.05 might be a really good opportunity. Pretty good risk reward here where it still holds within this trend line. Let's zoom out a bit. So we can see it's been following this trend line pretty strong, and so could see another bounce in the next several hours or at some point today. Hoping it can come down here for a decent trade. So that's Tezos. Let's take a look at Cosmos here. I'm hoping we can see, it's already tested this trend line and it's been rejected. Let's turn on the 200 moving average. Let me update this really quick. Yeah, so I think we can definitely see a retest of the 200 moving average. Let's check on the day. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so there's a lot of room here. Going back to the 1 hour chart. So I think if we can go up to and see a little bounce here around $13.50, could be a pretty good opportunity to get in and set your stop just above the last high. And I think we could break this this channel that it's been trending in for quite some time and make it a decent 10%. So we'll see what happens there. Mana, this is why it's really important to zoom out. We've been watching this one for a while. Mana's been pumping for quite some time, Decentraland. And if you zoom out, you'll see that there's some pretty strong resistance here at 82 cents. And looks like we had our stop or our entry price set up right there, and could see a nice 13% profit on this trade. So this is another one to be watching. It still is in an uptrend, so we're just scalping this for a good amount here. Moving over to XCAD, this is looking like a beautiful short setup. I'm not sure if it's going to come up to our entry price, but we'll see around $1.23. And I think we can see about an 8% move or so. And who knows, if we zoom out, we might see it get back into this channel it was trading in for quite a while. So that's what I'm looking for halfway into that channel. Could be a good trade for us here. Next one is Veracity. Another one that looks like a really good shorting opportunity. This one, I think we could see like up to a, let's just say 18-20% move on this one. Looking for a little bit of a bounce here, back up towards the top portion of this trend line down before seeing our next leg down. And I think this is one of the better looking trades, I think. So yeah, we'll be watching that one today. Zilica just broke through their resistance line or their trend line here. So we'll see. I think it might retest. It'll be interesting to see what happens. We've set our open entry here around 28.5 cents, and could see about a 15% move down. We'll see. It really depends what's going on with the rest of the markets today. GMX, gonna wait for it to come back down to this trend line here. A lot of people talking about Cardano right now. It's still holding pretty strong on this trend line. Could see another move up. I'm not really interested until, we get back up to this bigger trend line. Let's zoom out on the daily. To maybe around 43 cents before I would want to short this again. It's been looking pretty strong lately. So we'll keep an eye on this one. Just wanted to take a look for the future. So that's what we're looking at on ADA. I think AVAX is maybe the last one we'll take a look at. It broke through this, not really a super strong trend line, but broke through this recently, and it just came up to the recent resistance zone. Could be a good shorting opportunity and make some decent percentage on this one as well. So that's the trades for the day. We'll check in with you guys tomorrow.